Got cough? Love your legs. Whether the cough is due to infection, bacteria, virus, allergy, or you're spitting the mucus, or it's a dry cough, tickling the throat or tickling the lung, you want to improve blood circulation to the lungs so it can help you spit out that mucus to prevent infection and help with the cough. So what do I mean by love your legs? In your calf, you have 2 calf muscles. So love both muscles, love your leg, and when you find a tender spot, love even more. Okay, this massage will help increase the blood circulation to your lungs. So, love your legs to stop the cough and help get more oxygen to your lungs.